The surface of rocks can be a very hostile place for any organism to survive. In the summer they get really hot, and in the winter they can get freezing cold. They dry out, and also there's not much in the way of soil, so where are the nutrients for these organisms to survive? Well, in fact, some of them, like the orange lichen here, they get their nutrients from the birds that perch on here and produce little heaps of poo. The poo is rich in nitrogen compounds, and this lichen loves a lot of nitrogen. Modern farming now is creating lots and lots of extra nutrients as we intensify our farming, so lots of ammonia gets released, and some of these lichens love ammonia. And there's one further down the boulder here that we never used to see in Wales, but recently it started to become a very common species. It can even be seen in all the street trees in Cardiff, and it's a lichen that used to only occur around pig farms and dairy units where there was lots and lots of dung, but now it's becoming a widespread species, showing how useful lichens are as indicating the sort of atmospheric pollution conditions of our planet.